Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on a flashing effect when the character perform a successful dodge. So here, yesterday we worked on this red flash when we do damage to a character, just like that. Now the next thing is, see, the yellow flash that appears when I successfully dodge an attack. So if I fail to do the dodging, or if I get hit, or just like the enemy character, player character will also show the red flash, but if I manage to do the dodging, I will get the yellow flash instead, to clearly show that player was able to successfully dodge the attack. Okay, so that's what we are going to work on today. Now before we get started, let me remind you that the full playlist of this project is available for you to follow and learn if you are interested. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself too. And also, if you choose to become a member, you can access the full project of this series. And not just that, there are thousands of other projects that I have done in my channel. You can access them too for the membership, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. Right, so now let's get back to today's episode. Right, so in the last episode we implemented this damage flash here. If let me target this character, you see it temporarily becomes red. So that's here, it happens for both player party members and enemy party members. So in a similar way, when I do dodging, right now I don't see anything when I do a successful dodge, so that is also not that interesting. So I want to have a flash in a different color, maybe like golden color or white color flash when I perform a successful dodge. So to do that, okay, first let's go to our FX folder, which is here, character flash, and mi damage flash. This is damage flash material. So let me duplicate this material in instance, and I'll call it dodge flash. So we worked on this material yesterday, so I don't think we need to go through the code again. So I'll change the color to something like this, yellow golden flash. And now we need to apply this flash when the character perform a successful dodging. So here, if I go to character code, I have react to attack. I have this react to attack function, and I call this react to attack function from, let me do the search, from one of the abilities. Yeah, here. This is the GA based attack. So attacker is yeah. So now instead of this, here if I can check if the react to attack is successful, that means we actually did some damage to the character. If yes, we wouldn't need to do anything, but if not, that means the target character has successfully dodged the attack. So to know that, I'm gonna break this part. Q ability, and here the react. As I mentioned earlier, we might have we might set up a separate data set later on to grant all the default abilities, but for now I'm going to grant it here, and then activate ability, and I can return the result. Let's call it reacted. Oh, okay. Instead of this, I'm gonna replace it like this. So now from the base attack, here we can read this. If this is true, we don't need to do anything. But if it is false, we need to do the dodge flash to show that the character didn't get damaged. So target enemy is also a base character. Access the mesh. Set overlay material. Material is going to be a my dodge flash and have a small delay 0.15 and set overlay material with nothing. Okay, now let's see if that works. Oh, I got it. I was too late to perform the dodging. Let's try the next one. Yeah, see? I saw yellow flash. So if that duration is not enough, you can increase that. Let me show again. See? Yellow flash was there. So maybe we should have an accompanying particle effect as well to enhance this. But this is all I'm gonna do for now. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.